telling you, there's more than just shoes in here. There's more than just shoes in here. Oh yeah. There's more than just shoes in here. Ooh, that chicken smell good. Cut me a piece. Get a piece of this chicken now. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Super sexy.
Whipped cream makes everything better. Well, let's just say I had a penis. I was eating a penis. And I put whipped cream on that penis that I was eating, and it will magically make the penis taste that much better. You know.
Ooh, there's a lot of garbage in here. My stomach messing with me a little bit, but no, it's not serious. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Penis.
Hey, dude, you got a fart, bro?
Yeah,
You
always.
should totally rip it. Ah!
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
That one
Funky, bro.
smells like life.
Totally.
Life, man. You want me to?
Yeah, I got a big one. Here it comes.
You sure? You sure?
Yeah.
You sure? All right.
It's gonna
all
be
right.
big, man.
Okay.
Pull it. I just tried to fart and took a shit. I need to change. I feel rancid. You okay? You alright? It's only shit.
Fucking hate you, man.
Come on, man. Damn, I hate me. Ice cream truck.